does. Wow, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. When you say in addition to being a great singer, Ray Peterson is a great golfer, just coming back from Palm Springs where he took all the honors at the Musicians Golf Tournament down in Palm Springs. Musicians Golf Tournament, we say 4 for Ray Peterson.
Baby, come and get it. One heart, faithful and true, crying for you. Baby, come and get it. I can't understand why you hurt me so. It just isn't fair. You got my head reeling with a funny kind of feeling. Will you ever care? Love you till the end of time. Take this love of mine. Baby, come and get it.